Working with America's Home Place office was just fantastic. There was nothing never hard about changing or update with America's Home Place.
My name is Bernice Hill, the wife of Randolph Hill.
The Oakwood B is the home we chose. I checked with other places. I looked at other builders. I looked at their work. And I was satisfied with what American Home Place had to offer. And it turned out, for the bang for your buck, you couldn't beat American Home Place.
That's correct.
They are friendly, they're professional, and from the beginning, they know what they're talking about. They seem to know your ideas. That's a great advantage of building a home, I think. My biggest concern was, what would I have to do to get the home built? And that turned out to be that very little I had to do. They took charge, and it was to my liking, my wife's liking.
Yes, so it was.
That was relatively easy. Dealing with the staff was fantastic. It's still fantastic. From start to finish, you could speak with them, they would address it, and from the beginning, if I might mention, Courtney was very good at what she do, and we appreciate that.
Yes, you do.
There was things that we wasn't satisfied with, but they corrected it.
Always corrected.
They always corrected. I'm satisfied. We are satisfied with the quality of workmanship in this house. The price was a lot different than what other builders was quoted. I think they build a very excellent home. For that reason, I think they're great. I don't think you'll beat their price. I would recommend other people to build with American Home Place.